क्रांति में सबसे बड़ा नाम है रोबोट का, जिसने मानव की दुनिया में कदम क्या रखा कि जिंदगी आसान हो गई। अब इकोनॉमिक सेक्टर में भी रोबोट को बढ़ चढ़ कर इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है। यह न केवल काम के बोझ को कम कर देता है, बल्कि मानव के सर से भारी भरकम बोझ उतार कर अपने सर पर उठा लेता है। जी हाँ, द हाईटेक रोबोटिक कंपनी ने एक ऐसा ही रोबोट बनाया है जो कि भारी वजन उठाने का काम करेगा। कंपनी सोचती है कि मनुष्य को अपने दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करने वाले काम करने चाहिए। बार बार वही लिफ्टिंग, हैवी लोड उठाना मानव का काम नहीं है। इसके लिए ये रोबोट ही काफी हैं। इसके बारे में जानकारी दे रही हैं द हाईटेक रोबोटिक कंपनी की इंजीनियर मुस्कान। देखिए वीडियो।
Hi, my name is Muskan Kansal. I'm looking after the solutions, pre-sales, product management and also the strategic management for warehousing for the Hi-Tech Robotics Systems Limited. The products that we are displaying over here is an ABOPT, which is Autonomous Battery Operated Pallet Truck. So this is a replacement to the conventional HOPTs and the BOPTs which exist in a warehouse. This is autonomous. It works on natural navigation. We have a 3D LiDAR sensor in front of it and it can handle pallets as well as trolleys. So the good thing is that this is for ground to ground movement, and we also have a different product which can lift from the conveyors, the pallets from the conveyors and keep it on the ground, which is very in demand in the industry. The second product that we are displaying over here is a pick assist solution which helps in increasing the picking efficiencies within the warehouse. So the travel time that is usually wasted for a person to pick the products and look for different products in the storage area, that is actually minimized because the robots does all the travel and the person is confined to that zone. The third thing which we are showing over here is an LHT, which is a low height robot. It goes beneath the trolley, tunnels it and then takes the trolley along with it. So these are different products that we are showing over here in IWS. The other products that we have is an AMR for 100 kg payload, 500 kg payload, 1500 kg payload, and comes with different attachments like roller conveyors, chain conveyors, lifters. So there are different applications where we can use such type of robots, and they are very useful because they reduce the human dependency within the environment and comes with added benefits of being robotic.
I have a question that this is the fully automatic or man handle?
This is completely automatic. There is no human involvement over here. The pickup points and the drop points have to be pre-fed into the system, and then you can rest assured the robot will take care of all your pallets and trolleys and the movement of the goods within the warehouse.
Okay, when your company think about this product, we should invent this product. When?
It was somewhere in 2014. We actually started with defense robotics. Then looking into the market, we realized that this is something which is required by the market, and we did the reverse engineering and we made such robots which are actually beneficial in the society.
2014
around.
Okay, and it will be useful. It was useful in Corona pandemic.
Definitely, wherein we have to reduce the human dependency. These robots were actually in demand during the Corona and even after the COVID-19. The demand for these robots went exponentially high because the human involvement was expected to be on the lower side within the warehouse.
I want to ask something also, question that how much a company invest on?
It's actually, you don't talk about it in that way. We are working for the society, we are actually adding value in the society. So it's not monetary that we look into, we are actually looking into adding value in the society.
If I want to use this, then so that's why I have to think that what is my budget. So many people have this question that what is the budget behind it.
This product has to be customized. See, we are actually trying to add value in your facility, right? So because of that, we make some customization in this product. So the costing part is secondary. The value that this product is adding in your facility should be your primary aim and objective. So that's the main focus.
But I saying this one negative thing behind it. This is totally humanless. Do you think is it okay?
Yes, it's actually okay because you are actually upscaling man labor. You're not, the humans are not meant to do repetitive tasks, all the same pick and drops. They're not meant for it. They're meant for something which is actually fruitful, and they can use their brains and do something on a higher upskilled labor side. So
But it can increase unemployment.
no, that's what I'm saying. So we are actually uplifting the society. We are eliminating these repetitive tasks which are not meant for humans.
Okay.
We are actually, the robot should be doing that repetitive task, and humans should be involved in something more fruitful. That is what
a heavy and strengthful task. You want to say that a heavy and strengthful task, a robot should do this.
Yes, definitely. So all those heavy lifting is
Yes.
it's not part of a human's job to do that. So that is the point where these robots come into picture, wherein they can handle up to 1 ton and 1.5 tons of payloads.
अगर एक इंसान, एक व्यक्ति इस काम को करता है तो आप नहीं चाहेंगे कि वो डेली उसको घंटों तक करता
Yes,
रहे।
repetitive task के लिए नहीं बने इंसान, right?
लेकिन जो लोग कर रहे हैं उनके लिए तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी ना।
That is why we are trying to uplift the society. That is why we have all these companies together uplifting society.
मतलब ये कंपनी एक ऐसी क्रांति लेके आना चाहती है जहाँ पर लिफ्टिंग और लिफ्टिंग टास्क रोबोट के द्वारा किए जाएं। ह्यूमंस जो हैं वो अपनी लाइफ को एंजॉय करें और वो इस तरीके के हार्ड वर्क ना करें, वजन उठाने वाले काम ना करें। आने वाले समय में यही फ्यूचर आपको देखने को मिलेगा। तो ये है फसल क्रांति की खास रिपोर्ट। थैंक यू।